The world of warfare is experiencing a major transformation, and traditional strategies are being altered by a range of state-of-the-art technologies that redefine the concept of military combat. From unmanned machines to advanced minefields, these innovations are revolutionizing both offensive and defensive tactics. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 new military technologies that will transform the way wars are fought. But before we dive in, if you're new here, please take a second and subscribe to the channel to be notified of upcoming videos. Let's kick off the list with the Racer Heavy platform. Keeping the front line supplied is a monumental task, and the RHP is an unmanned juggernaut purpose-built for it. This 20-ton robotic beast can haul up to 10 tons of supplies across over 500 kilometers of challenging terrain. The RHP isn't just about brute force. It also boasts a hybrid diesel-electric engine, which makes its operation quiet and allows for potential integration with future clean energy sources or infrastructure. However, its real strength lies in its autonomous capabilities. The RHP is equipped with advanced GPS navigation and robust obstacle detection, enabling it to deliver vital supplies, such as munitions and fuel, without endangering soldiers. Even in harsh environments, the RHP is a reliable workhorse thanks to its armored protection against small arms fire and IEDs, ensuring a steady flow of supplies to the front lines. Next up is the BAMK mine-laying system. While mines have long been a scourge of the battlefield, the Polish BAMK redefines mine-laying by bringing this insidious weapon into the 21st century. Mounted on a rugged truck chassis, this automated system rapidly scatters anti-tank mines at speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour, creating defensive barriers across vast areas, 30 to 90 meters. It features a control system for mine laying in both automatic and manual modes, carries up to 600 mines, and includes programmable anti-tank mines with self-destruction capabilities. The mines can lie in wait indefinitely, their smart target recognition only activating when enemy armor comes within range, unleashing devastating firepower while minimizing risk to friendly forces. Meet the Malloy Aeronautics T400 heavy lifter. When you need to move an entire tank company's worth of gear, you call in the T400 heavy lifter. This colossal cargo aircraft is the workhorse of rapid force projection, tackling the challenge of transporting even the heaviest equipment across diverse global environments. With an impressive range of 70 kilometers and a staggering payload capacity of up to 180 kilograms, the T400 delivers critical supplies, regardless of weather conditions. One of its key advantages is the removable battery system, with easily handled battery packs that eliminate downtime associated with recharging, maximizing operational tempo and mission effectiveness. The T400's spacious interior accommodates even the bulkiest U.S. military hardware, ensuring rapid deployment of essential resources anywhere in the world. The TRX short-range air defense system is responsible for protecting troops from air threats such as drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles. This powerful system is mounted on a 10-ton tracked chassis and features a hybrid electric engine that provides quiet operation and potential for future integration with modern charging infrastructure. The system's real strength lies in its modular design, which combines advanced 3D radar with a rapid-fire 30mm cannon, allowing it to track and engage multiple targets at once with a hailstorm of armor-piercing depleted uranium rounds. With 360-degree coverage and enhanced mobility, the TRX Charade ensures air superiority at the battalion level. The system could potentially include AI for autonomous functions and an integrated battle management system for continuous battlefield awareness, thus enhancing its effectiveness as a force multiplier in modern military engagements. And finally, the Plasan's all-terrain electric mission module. For land forces needing a mobile and adaptable edge, Plasan's all-terrain electric mission module offers a revolutionary solution. This fully electric 6x6 vehicle can be rapidly configured as a troop carrier, mobile command center, ambulance, or to fill virtually any other tactical role. But the real beauty lies in its mission flexibility and cutting-edge electric technology. The vehicle packs a powerful 47 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, chargeable via off-board energy sources like a generator or through regenerative braking with up to 15 kilowatt charging capability. This allows for extended silent operation or mobile deployments. Additionally, it's equipped to provide mobile electric power, recharging other vehicles and equipment on the move. It can seamlessly transition between carrying troops, serving as a command node, providing medical evacuation, or even stealthily deploying drone assets. This electric powerhouse offers unmatched off-road mobility, flexibility, and sustainability for future battlefields. These are just a few examples of the incredible innovations currently transforming the battlefield. From autonomous logistics to intelligent weaponry, the future of warfare is rapidly taking shape. While these advancements offer undeniable tactical advantages, the ethical implications and potential for escalation remain a critical topic of discussion. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, one thing is certain: the way we fight will never be the same.